The IPO space is buzzing again with another one all set to hit the street. Auto component manufacturer Sansera Engineering IPO is all set to open on September 14th and will be available for subscription until Thursday, that is September 16th. So, should you subscribe to this one? Well, first look at these details before taking that decision. Let's first focus on what the company is really all about. Now, incorporated in 1981, the Bengaluru-based company caters to the auto sector. It has 16 facilities, including one in Sweden and 15 in India. It is a manufacturer of complex and critical precision engineered components, and that is across the auto sector. In automotives, it makes connecting rods, rocker arms, etc. for two-wheelers, passenger vehicles and commercial vehicles, while in the non-automotive space, it actually supplies parts to off-roads and agriculture. The company derives major revenue from the internal combustion engines of a car. Now, in the passenger vehicle vertical, Sansera Engineering has a long relationship spanning more than 30 years with the car leader Maruti Suzuki. Now, as for the IPO details, the price band of the IPO has been fixed at 734 to 744 rupees per share with a face value of just 2 rupees each. Now, the IPO is entirely an offer for sale by selling shareholders. This offer could raise up to 1283 crore rupees at the upper end of the price band. Now, since the IPO is completely an OFS, the company will not be directly receiving any proceeds from this offer, and all the proceeds will actually be received by the selling shareholders only. Now, this is Sansera Engineering's second attempt to go public. Now, in August 2018, the company had filed its IPO papers with the market regulator SEBI and had also got its clearance, but it did not go ahead with the IPO back that time. So, what is there for retail investors to really look here? Well, half of the issue size has been reserved for the qualified institutional buyers. There's a 15% reservation for the non-institutional investors, and 35% of the portion size is reserved for the retail investors. So the portion size is good enough, and the retail investors will have a chance of subscribing and also getting the IPO allotment. The IPO market lot size is 20 shares, so a retail investor or an individual will need to spend a minimum of 14,880 rupees, and that is for one single lot. Investors can also apply for a maximum of up to 13 lots, which includes 260 shares, and will need to shell out about 1.9 lakh rupees for this entire lots. Also, upon its listing, the company will now be joining listed peers such as Bharat Forge, Motherson Sumi Systems, Minda Industries, and so on. Remember that for the financial year of 2021, the automotive sector has contributed 88.45% to the overall revenues of the company. The non-automotive segment has actually contributed to around 11.5% of the revenue, and the company derives around 65% of its revenues from India, the rest of it being 35% from the other countries. Also, for the fiscal year 2021, Sansera Engineering reported a total income of 157 crore rupees as compared to 147 crore rupees from the previous year. The net profit for the fiscal year 2021 was 109.86 crore rupees, and that was up from 79.9 crore rupees back in FY20. So does it really make sense for you to really subscribe to this issue? Well, we spoke to Abhay Doshi, who's the founder of Unlisted Arena, and he told Money9 that it would be keen to watch how the company really adapts to electrical vehicle revolution going ahead from here, because that is going to be a major challenge to its traditional business. Now, analysts at JM Financial Services have also noted that Sansera has a well-diversified business model. Its financial performance has outperformed the industry trends as well, with the industry-leading metrics, and according to the brokerage firm, the key risk factor actually includes that the company's dependency is on third parties for transportation and timely delivery of their products to its customers. So a loss of suppliers or interruptions in the delivery of the raw materials or volatility in the prices of raw materials on which they really rely may have a material adverse impact on its business and also results of the operations. Moreover, the company is also exposed to risks associated with the foreign exchange rate fluctuations as well. So that's all you needed to know about Sansera Engineering IPO before taking that decision of subscribing to it.